Good morning, it's Michael Jenkins from BTP. Moving on from something I said the other day about phone systems. Just wanted to point out that when you see a blue car, so we've got the red cars, when you see a blue car on the road, that's for our phone guys. And as it says here, telephone systems, sales, installation, VoIP, hosted, PABX, NBN, testing tag and cabling. Yes, BTP have red cars, look out for the blue cars. Ask us about phone systems, ask us about putting in digital handsets, IP handsets, fixing fax lines, photocopier fax lines, all those sorts of things, voice over IP, talk to us about NBN, and of course the IT guys can also help the phone guys. So next time you think about your phone system, or you think about changing something, cabling or a fax line, or changing your internet plan, even looking at wireless, looking at let's say there's some network traffic issues, new switch, all that kind of thing. We do everything from the phone system, digital IP and all the rest, right through to voice over IP. Well, that's all for today. Have a great day.